It's Vlogmas Day Trey. Okay, so now that we have a dough, I'm going to get some, well, it looks like I'm gonna have to use some aluminum foil because we don't have any wax paper. Pretty much only have these two shapes. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my little gingerbread man. And then I'm messing up my gingerbread man. Oh! I killed them. So let's try this. That's gonna be a little bit better than that was. Okay, finally got everything to look much more presentable except for my angel, which kind of looks weird, but everything else looks pretty good. So I'm only gonna cook a little bit. Oh my god, I done fucked up. Let me put this in the oven. So as I was saying, I'm only gonna cook a little bit because we're not gonna eat all those cookies tonight, and we're gonna have them like later on next week or the week after that. So I'm gonna give it some time, let it cook, and then we're gonna decorate. These turned out a hot mess. Okay, that's the star. Gingerbread angel. Like, what the heck? In the house. None of them look like what they're supposed to look like. Anyways, I got this sparkling stuff, this sparkling gel stuff. That looked like a ghost. That's what my mama that like a ghost. That ain't like a ghost. These shapes don't look like what they're supposed to look like. So I'm gonna start with the house first. Yes, which is here. No, that's the see, look at me. That's the star. Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on there. Okay, so final results. Don't judge my angel because y'all know. Oh! Y'all know what's up with it. Don't mess up the star. The star actually turned out pretty cool. Gingerbread and this little gold buttons. The house is kind of meh. And then the angel's ass. The angel's trash for real. I'm gonna go now because I am tired, sick, and sleepy. So thank you guys for watching. I don't know if y'all can see me. I feel like it's kind of dark. I think it's mine. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys tune in tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. But yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Ring that bell so that you are alerted. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.